Welcome to this lesson on cell cycle regulation. Today, we'll explore one of the most critical aspects of cell division: checkpoints and control points. These mechanisms ensure that cells divide properly and maintain the integrity of genetic information. Understanding these checkpoints is essential for comprehending how cells prevent errors that could lead to diseases like cancer. Cell cycle checkpoints are control mechanisms that act like quality inspectors in a factory. They monitor and verify whether the processes at each phase of the cell cycle have been accurately completed before the cell can progress to the next stage. Think of them as safety gates that only open when everything is in order. Without these checkpoints, cells could divide with damaged DNA or incomplete replication, leading to serious problems. There are three main checkpoints in the cell cycle. First, the G1 checkpoint, also called the G1S checkpoint, occurs at the end of the G1 phase. Second, the G2 checkpoint, or G2M checkpoint, happens at the end of the G2 phase. Third, the M checkpoint, commonly known as the Spindle Checkpoint, occurs during mitosis. Each of these checkpoints has specific criteria that must be met before the cell can continue dividing. The G1 checkpoint is often called the restriction point because it's the point of no return. Once a cell passes this checkpoint, it's committed to completing the division cycle. At this checkpoint, the cell checks four critical things. First, is the cell large enough to divide? Second, are there sufficient nutrients available? Third, is the DNA intact without damage? And fourth, are there proper growth signals present? If any of these conditions aren't met, the cell won't proceed to S phase. The G2 checkpoint occurs after DNA replication, but before mitosis begins. This checkpoint ensures that everything is ready for the complex process of cell division. The cell verifies four key things here. First, has all the DNA been completely replicated? Second, has any DNA damage from replication been properly repaired? Third, is the cell large enough to divide into two viable daughter cells? And fourth, are all the proteins needed for mitosis synthesized and ready? Only when all these conditions are satisfied can the cell enter mitosis. The M checkpoint, also called the Spindle Checkpoint, is the final quality control before chromosome separation. This checkpoint occurs during metaphase of mitosis and is critical for ensuring accurate chromosome distribution. The cell checks three essential things. First, are all chromosomes properly attached to the spindle fibers? Second, are the kinetochore microtubule connections correct and stable? And third, are all chromosomes properly aligned at the metaphase plate? If even one chromosome isn't properly attached, the checkpoint prevents the cell from progressing to anaphase, avoiding potentially catastrophic chromosome misaggregation. Two types of molecules work together to regulate these checkpoints: cyclins and cyclin-dependent kinases, or CDKs. Cyclins are proteins whose concentration rises and falls in a cyclical pattern throughout the cell cycle. CDKs are enzymes that remain present but are only active when bound to cyclins. Together, they form the molecular machinery that drives the cell through each checkpoint and into the next phase of the cycle. Here's how the Cyclin-CDK mechanism works. First, cyclin levels rise and fall during different phases of the cell cycle. Each type of cyclin appears at a specific time. Second, when cyclins reach sufficient levels, they bind to CDKs, forming active Cyclin-CDK complexes. Third, these active complexes phosphorylate target proteins, which means they add phosphate groups to specific proteins. This phosphorylation triggers the events needed to progress through the cell cycle, such as DNA replication or chromosome condensation. When a cell reaches a checkpoint, there are two possible outcomes. If the cell passes the checkpoint, meaning all conditions are met and everything is functioning correctly, the cell cycle progresses to the next phase and division continues normally. However, if the cell fails the checkpoint because of DNA damage, incomplete replication, or other problems, the cell cycle is arrested. The cell stops dividing and attempts to repair the problem. If the damage is too severe to repair, the cell may trigger apoptosis, which is programmed cell death, preventing the propagation of errors. To summarize, Checkpoints are critical quality control mechanisms that act as the cell's safeguards against uncontrolled division. They prevent cells from dividing when something is wrong, thereby maintaining genomic stability. By ensuring that each phase of the cell cycle completes accurately before allowing progression to the next phase, checkpoints protect organisms from mutations and diseases like cancer. Understanding these checkpoints helps us appreciate the remarkable precision of cellular processes and why their malfunction can have serious consequences for health.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.